Day 175 of opening up a pack of football cards. Alright, we got Woody Marks. And looks like we got... Oh, this could be gold. Wow. T-Mac. Tetsuo McMillan. Let's see what this is, number 2. To 35. So this must be yellow. Alright, thanks for watching.